How to find and follow influencers on Facebook. So typically influencers are people that have a lot of following, so it's actually really easy to find them. Head over first right here to your search icon and search in here for influencers. You should be able to see in here some Facebook groups, and when you click on these people, you should be able to see in here influencer that have their name. However, if you want, you can go to the group right here and then join any group right here that actually has ambassadors, creators, and influencers. Once you have successfully joined a group, you should be able to see all of the people there. Now, from in there, you should be able to actually call them or follow them or anything that you want. You can actually get them brand deals, creators, and collaborations. So once it's done, you should be able to follow them right here. Like for example, this one, you can follow this person, which is actually an influencer. So that's how you find and follow influencers on Facebook. If we help